2017 Jeep Wrangler oil change. Let's get to it. All right, oil change on this Jeep. We're looking at 5W20 full synthetic, 6 quarts, and we're going to be using this CarQuest 94010 oil filter. All right, underneath the vehicle, we got the drain plug right here. It is a 13 millimeter. Go ahead, break that bad boy loose. Make sure your catch can is in place. And drain your oil. With the oil drain, we'll go ahead and put our plug back in. Tighten this bad boy down. Don't go crazy on this. We're just going to give it a nice couple whacks and you're good to go. All right, your oil fill is right here. And on this Jeep, the cover is just kind of sitting here. It should probably be bolted down, or yeah, see these little pins right here? They're supposed to go inside of these circlets right here, and it looks like this one's missing. So it just happens over time, I guess, but try to secure yours as best you can. But anyway, and right here is your oil filter. And it is a 24 millimeter. When removing the oil filter, make sure that you do not use an impact. The oil filter cap is plastic and the impact can break that plastic. Just go ahead and grab yourself a hand tool and break it loose. And there's our oil filter. To remove the old oil filter from the cap, just go ahead and pull up on the old filter. Throw that away. And next you're going to need a small knife or a flathead screwdriver to get the old O-ring off. Make sure you always replace the O-rings on these non-screw-on types. But you got a little oil on your hand, go ahead and lube up that new O-ring. And install until it's in the seat right here. Go ahead, put your new filter, it pops right in, and we can go ahead and reinstall that. Just like with the twist-on oil filters, you do not need to go crazy on these, okay? Just put it down until you feel resistance, like I just did, and give it a little tug. That's it. Don't go crazy. The housings are made out of plastic. You will break it. You get the idea. I don't need to show you me filling this freaking engine up. 6 quarts, 5W20, full synthetic is what it requires. You don't really need to watch me doing this. When you're done refilling your oil, I'm gonna put your cap back on. You're gonna have to spin it until you find that sweet spot and then lock it down. All right, 2017 Jeep Wrangler oil life reset procedure. As you can see, we have our change oil soon. First thing you want to do is go ahead and turn the key to the off position and remove it. Next, turn it to the on position and press your accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 3 times. Now, remove your key again and make sure it doesn't come back up. As you can see right here, our oil life, or our change oil soon warning indication, is now gone, and you have successfully reset your oil life. If this helped you out, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.